Nowadays, pollution is the largest environmental cause of disease and premature deaths in the world, and have been one of the greatest problems that the world is facing today. Pollution refers to any changes in the environment due to anthropological activities. Pollution is the introduction of harmful material into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants can be natural, such as volcanic ash. They can also be created by human activity, such as trash or runoff produced by factories. Pollutants damage the quality of air, water, and land. In this video, we will focus on the plastic pollution.
Plastic pollution is the accumulation of synthetic plastic waste which negatively affects all living things and their habitat. Plastic pollution is one of the most pressing environmental issues, as rapidly increasing production of disposable plastic products overpowers the world's ability to deal with them.
From cell phones to bicycle helmets to ID bags, plastic has molded the society in ways that can make life easier and safer. But we tend to overlook on how harmful they can be, and why is that small weighted material can cause environmental issues and even health issues leading to death. So let's say plastic is made from petroleum oils, which isn't sustainable. Do you know why? Because oil is a non-renewable fossil fuel that pollutes air. According to the water footprint calculator, it takes 22 gallons of water to make 1 pound of plastic. In that case, it at least takes at double the amount of water to produce single-use bottle as the amount of water in the actual. It at least takes 450 years for single-use plastic to decompose. Single-use bottles of plastics are made out of PET, polyethylene terephthalate, a material that photodegrades instead of biodegrading. Even when bottles break down through photodegradation, tiny pieces of microplastics are left behind which can reach critical drinking sources and also harm wildlife. Thirdly, material and chemical usage. According to Stephanie Helweg, in production of plastic, it releases dioxin, vinyl chloride, ethylene, decolorose, lead cadmium, and several other toxic chemicals which can leach this into water and food that we consume. It also leads to severe health issues, genotoxicity, oxidative stress, apoptosis, necrosis, and even cancer.
What factors play a role in plastic pollution? First, plastic have a long lifespan. It takes 500 to 600 years to degrade. Second factor is plastic material are used excessively. Since plastic gets less expensive, it is becoming a demand for the majority of urban people. Third factor is inadequate of waste proposal. Since plastics are overused now, the disposal of plastic is often mismanaged and it ends up in the landfills. The last factor is undeniable that the lack of awareness in society about plastic pollution is also most likely to exacerbate this problem.
Effect of the plastic pollution on the ocean, according to the NRETL, it will cause the deleterious on the environment by destroying marine habitat. This plastic waste will make harm to the marine habitat by choking the life form and getting tangled in the precious reef and causing them to break apart. The serious effect of the plastic pollution on the ocean are the ingestion and suffocation of 100 marine species, which are the marine species. Most of them die of the starvation due to the stomach full of the plastic debris. We move to the effect of the plastic pollution on the land. When the plastic fill on the landfill, it will cause to having interaction with the water and it leading to form the hazardous chemical. The hazardous chemical will seep underground to degrade the water quality, so it is unsuitable for human consumption.
Plastic is considered an inert material. However, their pathway through microplastics could cause harm. Based on National Geographic, single-use plastic are accounted 40% of plastic produced annually. Nearly 700 species, including endangered ones, are known to have been affected by plastics. Most of the deaths to animals are caused by entanglement or starvation. Seals, whales, turtles, and other animals are strangled by abandoned fishing gear or discarded six-pack rings. We eat, drink, and breathe microplastics every day. Regarding physical effects, the biopersistence of microplastics could lead to a suite of biological response including inflammation, genotoxicity, and apoptosis. A number of chemicals that release from microplastics have been associated with serious health problems such as hormone-related cancers, infertility, and neurodevelopment disorders such as ADHD and autism.
Every minute, every day, every year, the equivalent of one garbage truck of plastic enter our sea. Our planet can no longer tolerate a culture of throwaway plastic. There are a variety of methods to reduce plastic population that are both basic and easy to follow. So there are a few ways to prevent and control the plastic population, such as using biodegradable plastic, reusable straw, bring your own garment bag to the dry cleaner, and try to reduce the usage of plastic items. Next, we also can control the plastic population by using steel or glass instead of Tupperware. Say no to straw, plastic bag, and also plastic takeaway container. We also should avoid microbe usage. Plastic microbe usually are added to kind of toothpaste, face scrub, and body wash as expensive. In addition, there are alternative ways to reduce the plastic population, such as use reusable bag when going for groceries, replace plastic items at home with alternative made from natural material, for example bamboo toothbrush, glass jar, and wooden toys.
In addressing this issue, awareness and actions must be emphasized in everyone's, including individuals, industry, government, school, and university, to play an important role combating plastic pollutions. In the meantime, there are several campaigns have been organized to addressing this issue, such as Greenpeace campaign, Zero Waste campaigns, Turn Out Straw campaigns, and also Day Without Plastic campaigns. So we should try our best to reduce, reuse, and recycle plastic whenever possible to reduce level of environmental pollutions by plastic. There are quotes saying, "Be parts of the solutions, not parts of the pollution."
The power to create a change lies in our hand. We, as a consumer and citizen, play a main role in this plastic pollution issue. We need to be the change by refuse, reuse, reduce, and recycle in every single time we are faced with a consumption choice involving single-use plastic. Other than that, we need to spread the word with friends, family, and community to change together. Not only the consumer but the producers also has the responsibility on the plastic pollution. They should be redesigned to decrease the use of plastic in their product or change to other materials or use biodegradable plastic. Government need to establish a baseline matrix of plastic pollution and accurately measure the ongoing impact of their policy. The action should be taken include works more details into laws and close the loopholes. In conclusion, to stop the plastic pollution, it starts from you and me.